What is up, you guys? It's your boy CA Corey back with another video. So I actually left my GoPro in here because I was filming another POV, and I actually left it in the car, and there's still some charge left on here. It's like 65%. So I was like, you know what, why not just film a quick little POV? I don't know how much minutes I'm gonna get out of this, but I'm gonna just film until I either get where I'm going or it dies. So we're just gonna play some music, nothing crazy. God damn, this dude in the bench is on my bumper, man. I hate people like this. I hate people like this. Look at him, all on the bumper, like. But then if he decides to hit me, now what? If he hits me, now what? I hate people like this. Like, you see there's somebody in front of me, I can't go nowhere. I hate people like that. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Shit, you want to go so bad. Go ahead, bro. Yeah, there he is. There he is. Alright, just play some music. Quick highway POV for you guys.
Can you photo niggas leave them cold? Those come up together, you was broke. Niggas say you know I never was. Think it's time to write up my wrongs. One wrong move get you gone. You gotta focus up. I remember when niggas ain't fuck with us. I remember when bitches ain't fuck with me. Now you wanna be ready to pay with the team, cause my money green. Used to write these, now I'm ballin' out, run like a Mary G. Get a life that I live, used to be a dream. Had to turn all this shit to reality. I ain't gon' hold you. They don't know my body. Where I'm from, they don't care for you. Not at all, not at all. I ain't gon' hold you. They don't know my body. Where I'm from, they don't care for you. Not at all, not at all. And it's crazy to switch up in a hobby. Try to waste my time. I done got used to the fake shit. Do I for better, I ain't giving a dime. Easy gon' act like a nigga was blind. You don't see what happened, you can't be my slime. I ain't gon' hold you. Would've thought that a nigga was done. Had to look out for you niggas, ain't down for you niggas. You would've thought I was dope. This shit ain't no games, nigga, I don't play you. Better run when you up in that gun. And if I see you, better pray.
Usually I take that lane, but today I'm gonna stay in these 4 lanes and we're gonna have a quick little swim sesh. Nothing crazy, but because that's like the easiest way to just get around all this stuff. But we're gonna have a little bit of fun today. We're gonna have some fun today.
Waste my time. I'm losing niggas around me and there's no time. I do not count my wrongs. Now that I'm 18, I can do what I want. They can't change my mind. Better not try me, you better not renounce. You know I'm setting that for all. Repeat my niggas that die. He brought the camp, so screaming that shit until he do the top. This shit getting crazy, better duck it top. I cannot wait till niggas at the top. I put all of my pain in my soul. Do this for my mom, so told her stay strong. Like for the niggas that ever did me wrong. Wrong move, get you go. You don't know my body. Where I'm from, they don't care for you. Not at all, not at all. I ain't gon' hold you. They don't know my body. Where I'm from, they don't care for you. Not at all, not at all.
I haven't heard this song in a minute too. How do I get out of this? This thing is not trying to move. Hold on.
gotta use that mother. Yo, can I stick it back in? Shorty, she say yo.
She said, yup. If the pussy ain't pink, you can tell the bitch a dog. The pussy was young. I'ma just keep it a buck. If the pussy shiny, I'm a mess like I eat it up. Stick it in and it's flipped up. She put it back in on me, yup. She really a freak. Then she got up on her knees and started to go suck it, yup. She happy like fuck. She really trying to take my soul. So fuck it, I busted it nuts. She swallowed it up. She said she never spit it out. Nutrients all over the tongue. I'm really too different. You can see I'm a top 5 since you way a nigga beat it up. I'm tryna treat you like rum, but you be a friend. Don't even wanna fuck her in my body, baby. Do you want some? What are you doing, baby? Where you going? You know I'm a second school. You tryna run from? After we done, fucking you be slum. I put in that ring now, I got you dying off.
Let me know where you going. Run on the road, I'm out with you, then you be home. Hold on with the niggas, them niggas ain't nothing. And baby, you all gotta worry for nothing, okay? Like, baby, where you at? Like, what else? Tryna make that love strike. Like, okay, can I hit it from the back? I'm tryna find your niggas, tell them push your niggas scratch. Like, I wanna fight you like one punch. And baby, you back, can I get like one touch? And I can just stop at face, baby, wanna fuck us. Like, she wanna pull up in the rave, tell her baby, buck up.
This guy's going way too slow. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Slow as hell, and then he came out of nowhere and did that. He was driving so slow, and then he sped up once he saw him. What's up with the ads, though? Why is there so many ads? Like, come on, man.
You tried to have good manners, but hot and juicy beef doesn't seem to care. This is the Quarter Pounder with Cheese Deluxe.
Kick it big, baby, like a saga. You should notice I'm the only option. I'm tryna blast it, being like a rocket. Got the G GMB, it's in my pocket. All these tragedies, I be missing it. Average like a bitch, you know I'm different. You wanna beat me, you know I've been trippy. Top 5 says, you know I leave you drippy. Yeah, I got you smoking, baby, got me swimming. Give it these shots when I'm up in it. Come fuck with a boss, come and fuck with a runner. Come fuck with a king, fucking with a president. And I can just tell you a process. I just got that nigga on your mind. Fuck your bomb, nigga, but he got you stressing. Baby, let me teach you a lesson. Let me tell you what it was. Let me just keep it a ball. He wanted more, he said you in the north. Yeah, that's tough. Just know I never do you bad. Remember times when I was in my bag. All up on my own, I was on my life. I just be stacking in cash. I just came up by the side, do 10K on a breaking bag. For the bitch that I never had. Fat ass, BBL, body titties on. Yeah, you know them shit don't sag. Push up, bro, automatic. I'm like, damn, I'm tryna have it. I'm tryna fight it, baby, let me. I'm tryna fight it, baby, let me grab it. And I'm tryna fight every nigga that had it. Yeah, baby, you more than a 10. You know that you really the baddest. You know I'ma make you come to fastest. I know this shit. I've been stacking up all of these bands. I'm rocking up, I be grabbing. Yeah, shorty tryna say she got me. I don't know what she capping. And when I'm up in the passes, make it feel like a gymnastic. Like, I beat it up with some passion. Off the honey pack is valid. Pussy taste like need to put it. That shit, this body you a bad bitch. And I'm in love with your tattoo. You look better with me tatted. Like, put my name up on your ass cheek. Show me that you shit the fattest. I got you smiling and laughing. Got you feeling on my fashion. I wanna break you in pieces. Wanna eat it up in fractions. All them other niggas basic. Come and fuck with me, I'm nasty. Like, you should really let me taste it. Let me eat it from the bag in. Boxing in the pussy until she squirted on my baggage. Kick a big baby like a saga. You should notice I'm the only option. Tryna blast with you like a rocket. Got the GMB, it's in my pocket. All these tragedies, I be missing it. Average like a bitch, you know I'm different. You wanna beat me, you know I've been trippy. Top 5 says, you know I leave you drippy. Yeah, I got you soaking, baby, got me swimming. Give it these shots when I'm up in it. Come fuck with a boss, come and fuck with a winner. Come fuck with a king, fucking with a president. And I can just tell me a presence. I just got that nigga on your mind. Fuck your bomb, nigga, but he got you stressing. Baby, let me teach you a lesson. Let me tell you what it was. Let me just keep it a bug. He wanted more, he said you ain't enough. Yeah, that's tough. Just know I never do you bad. Remember times when I was in my bag. All up on my own, I was on my last. the bed with a bad bitch. And I wish I could say I was cabin. Truly wish I didn't see it happen. How you got to take all these balls? I'm really trying to take you out the stars. Like I could've left him in the streets, but I'm really trying to go make you a bond. As a player, we just went down. And now I don't got a problem with some fun. Whenever you really cut me off, you know I'm heavy, you know what's up. You know what's up. Every time I leave inside, I gotta sound like it's same for me. We just get my name on y'all, let me say me. I don't care about them group bitches, you know they're not a thing to me. Feel like I'm living a fantasy. I should be done, how the hell she gonna run me?
Alright, you guys, if you enjoyed the highway POV, please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.